Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to be reviewing the BECCA Lip Icing Glow Gloss Kit, which is a collaboration with BECCA and Chrissy Teigen, and this set is inspired by Chrissy's ultimate holiday cravings, so that is what the shade names are named after. So I'm just going to jump right into the swatches and then I will give you my review of these. So that is all of the swatches. So I think that this is a super cute set, and I feel like it's something that just really gets you into that holiday spirit. They feel smooth and comfortable on the lips as well, and the packaging is just super cute and adorable for the holidays and just in general. I think that this would be a great gift for somebody that likes makeup or lip gloss. So overall, I really like these lip glosses. I definitely think that this is a winner. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you thought it was helpful, and I hope that you liked it. If you like these kinds of videos, I do have more lip swatch videos on my channel, and I do have a playlist for those if you are interested in checking that out. But other than that, I hope that you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video.